In Lesson 7-3, you are asked to evaluate expressions with variables. That's a lot of big fancy words. All it means is you are going to solve the problem by plugging in a value for a given variable. Here's an example. If you are asked to evaluate the expression m minus 4.7, where m is equal to 10, all you do is take this amount and replace m with 10. So here's my expression. I'll put 10 underneath m, recopy everything else exactly where it is, how it is, and now I just subtract like I normally would. And I know that 10 minus 5 is 5. I didn't subtract 5, I subtracted a little bit less, 4.7. So my answer is going to be 5.3, 5 3/10. Here's another example. Sometimes you have to evaluate an expression and use the order of operations. Here we have 10 times the sum of 5/100 plus q, where q is equal to 1 2/10. First thing I do is substitute 1.2 wherever I see q. Everything else stays exactly the same. Since I have parentheses and I know the order of operations uses the acronym PEMDAS, parentheses would go first, 1 25/100. Then I'll recopy everything else where it is, how it is. So I end up with 10 times 1 25/100. I'm multiplying by a power of 10, so I know that this is simply a shift of the digits. Since I'm multiplying by a power of 10 whole number, each of these digits will get bigger by one place, and my product is 12 5/10.